Why is the vast universe so terrifyingly silent? There are billions of habitable planets, but when we look up at the stars, we find only absolute, deathly silence. Welcome to the chilling dark forest theory. This unsettling concept suggests that the cosmos is not empty, but teeming with hidden, terrified life. Imagine the universe as a gigantic dark forest at night. Every advanced civilization is an armed and utterly silent hunter, always lurking among the dense trees. In this relentless cosmic forest, survival follows one absolute rule. If you reveal your position, you become the prey. And you are immediately annihilated by incomprehensible predators to prevent future threats. Galactic silence is not the absence of life. It is the only way to survive today. And here is what is truly disturbing about our own existence. For many decades, humanity has been constantly sending radio signals into the void. If everyone is hiding out of fear, what immense cosmic monster have we just awakened?